The journey of a Pringle begins with dehydrated potato flakes, arriving in vast quantities at the factory. These essential flakes, along with other key ingredients, are meticulously loaded into large mixing hoppers. Automated systems accurately measure and dispense the precise ratios of dry ingredients into the mixing vats. Inside colossal mixers, the dry ingredients are combined with water to form the characteristic Pringles dough. The freshly prepared dough is then extruded into continuous sheets, ready for its transformation. Multiple sets of rollers progressively thin the dough to the exact uniform thickness required for Pringles. This precisely thin dough sheet is now ready to be cut into the iconic Pringles saddle shape. Specialized cutting presses stamp out the unique saddle-shaped chips, maximizing dough utilization. The remaining dough web is meticulously removed and recycled, ensuring minimal waste in the production process. These perfectly shaped raw chips are then transported directly towards the cooking stage. Entering vast, precisely controlled ovens, the chips undergo a rapid cooking process. Within the heated environment, the chips achieve their signature crispness and golden hue. Once cooked to perfection, the chips emerge from the oven and begin their crucial cooling period. An initial visual inspection ensures that only perfectly formed chips proceed to the next stage. Automated robotic arms swiftly identify and remove any chips that do not meet strict quality standards. The chips then enter large, rotating seasoning drums, where their distinctive flavors are applied. Inside, the chips gently tumble, ensuring every surface is perfectly coated with delicious, fine seasoning. Emerging from the drum, each Pringle chip now carries its iconic, flavorful coating. A final, rigorous quality check ensures that only the best seasoned chips proceed to packaging. Specialized robotic arms meticulously stack the delicate chips into tall, perfectly aligned columns. These carefully stacked chips are then gently inserted into the iconic foil-lined Pringles sleeves. The foil lining plays a crucial role in preserving the chip's freshness and crispness. Simultaneously, the iconic Pringles can bodies are expertly formed by winding multiple layers of paperboard. The metal bottom of each can is securely crimped into place, creating a sealed container. The stacked chip sleeves are then automatically lowered into their respective pre-sealed can bodies. A protective foil seal is then securely applied to the top of each can, locking in freshness. Finally, the distinctive plastic lid is precisely snapped onto each can, completing the primary packaging. Each can then passes through a labeling machine, receiving its vibrant, iconic wraparound design. Essential production data, including batch codes and expiration dates, is precisely inkjet printed onto the cans. The finished Pringles cans are then transported on a complex network of conveyors towards the final packing area. Meanwhile, flat cardboard sheets are expertly folded and glued to form robust shipping boxes. Robotic systems efficiently load multiple Pringles cans into each prepared shipping box. Once filled, the shipping boxes are automatically sealed with strong adhesive tape for secure transit. These sealed boxes then travel along conveyors, heading for the automated palletizing station. A large robotic arm meticulously stacks the individual shipping boxes onto sturdy wooden pallets. Completed pallets, laden with thousands of Pringles cans, are then moved into the vast warehouse for storage. Each loaded pallet is then securely shrink-wrapped, protecting the product during transport. Forklifts meticulously load the wrapped pallets onto waiting delivery trucks, ready for distribution. With its cargo secured, the truck embarks on its journey, bringing Pringles to consumers worldwide. From raw ingredients to a globally recognized snack, the Pringles can represents a marvel of modern food engineering.